Do you want a MongoDB database that is easy to understand later? This is why schema design matters. Here I already have a movie streaming platform database. We have collections like users, movies, series, episodes, and others. The diagram helps me see the full structure in one place. I can see embedded data inside users, like devices and profiles, and inside profiles, preferences. And I can also see referenced collections, like payments, ratings, and more, connected with IDs, like user ID. MongoDB schema design means deciding how your data is shaped inside documents and how different collections are connected. Before we go deeper, let's recreate a simple version of this database from scratch. I'll use a clean demo database for this example. I'll start with the users collection. Here, I insert one user, Patrick Jane. Now the users collection was created. If I open it in Tree View, I can see the document structure much easier. The user has standard fields like name and email, but it also contains data inside the same document. For example, profiles is inside the user. Inside profiles, I have preferences, and inside preferences, I have favorite genres. This is embedded data. The related data is stored inside the parent document instead of being placed in a separate collection. Now, if I open the diagram, I can see this structure visually. Instead of reading only JSON, I can see the nested fields inside the user's collection. Now let's create a referenced collection. I'll use payments as the example. A user can have many payments, so I don't want to store all of them inside the user document. Instead, I create a separate payments collection. Both payments have user ID, user001. Patrick Jane also has ID, user001 in the user's collection. So the payments are not inside the user document, but they are still connected to that user by ID. This is reference data. Now I'll go back to the schema diagram. VisuaLeaf detects the relationship between payments.user.id and users.id and shows it visually. So now I can see that one user can have many payments. This is reference data. The payments stay in their own collection, but user ID connects them back to the user. One important note, this is not a SQL foreign key constraint. MongoDB does not enforce the relationship automatically. So the simple rule is, embed data when it should stay inside one document, reference data when it should grow separately. That's why the schema diagram helps. You can see the full MongoDB structure in one place. For this video, I used VisuaLeaf to create the MongoDB schema diagram. You can try it for free and explore your own MongoDB database visually. Thanks for watching.